Let's talk about a container with most water. So you're given a height of array, and then you just have to find out the maximum water between this array, right? So here's a diagram, and I'm gonna draw a picture. So for the solution, you definitely need two pointer, so which is two bar between the water, and then you want to find out what is the current maximum for the container, and if that is true, right, and then you want to find out which one is lower, then move the lowest one. So for example, the index should be 0 in this case, and 0, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? This is 8. So the base for this is what, 8, right? But the height should be 1, right? This is the height of 1 between these two bar, right? So the most water you can put is actually 8, right? Because 1 times 8, right? The area is actually width times height, right? So now you move on your next iterations, because you have to move the lowest one. So you move this pointer to here, and then you find out the current base and minimum height between these two, and then so on, right? So this is supposed to be a really simple solution. So I'm gonna have I equal to 0, j equal to height dot length minus 1, and area equal to 0, right? So while I is less than j, right? So area will be equal to max dot max. So you have to return the maximum amount of water, right? So it's going to be area, comma, and then the base should be what? Base should be j minus I, right? And then times times the height, right? So the height should be the minimum between these two bars, right? So it's going to be math of min, height of I and height of j, right? And now we need to move the two pointer, so it's depending on the minimum height between these two, right? So it's going to be, if height at I is less than height at j, then you have to move the minimum height bar, and then this is going to be j minus minus, and later on you just return the area, and this is supposed to be the solution. Hopefully I don't make mistake, and submit. Alright, let's talk about time and space. For the time, you have to traverse every single bar, right? So this is all of it. And for the space, it's going to be constant. So this is a solution, and I'll see you next time. Bye.